In this video, I'm going to walk you through some post-installation device setups, how to connect the Ora FacePass device to the internet, how to pair your Ora FacePass device to our mobile app, how to enroll your face, and how to toggle some common device settings.
Before entering the settings menu, make sure the smart lock is in the locked position, and then wake up the smart lock by pressing around the number 5 area on the keypad. You will see the entire keyboard lights up. Then press the star key followed by the pound key. You will hear the device prompt. Please enter the administrator credentials. If you are setting up your smart lock for the first time, the initial passcode is 123456. Press the pound key to confirm. If you already set up an administrator passcode, enter the administrator passcode you registered. In the Settings menu, you will hear 4 primary options: 1. Administrator settings, 2. User settings, 3. System settings, and 4. System information. Press 1 to enter the administrator settings. In the administrator settings, you will hear 3 options: 1. Add a new administrator, 2. Add a new face, and 3. Delete an administrator. Press 1 again to add an administrator. Enter a 6-digit passcode of your choice. Press the pound key to confirm. You will be prompted to enter it again to verify.
001 registered.
Press the star key to go back one level in the settings menu until you exit the settings menu, and then let's test the administrator passcode you just set. Next, we are going to pair your Ora FacePass device to the mobile app and connect it to the internet. To get started, please go to the App Store if you have an iPhone, or the Google Play Store if you have an Android phone, and search Ora FacePass, following the prompts on your phone to download the app. First, you will need to create an account with Ora FacePass. Enter your email address and click on the Send Code button. You will receive a 6-digit verification code in the email address you just provided. Next, choose a secure account password, and you can toggle the eye icon to make sure you enter it right. Check the agreement box before clicking on the Create Account button. Your new Ora FacePass account is created successfully. To set a username, click on Set Your Nickname and enter a username other users could recognize you by. If you are installing Ora FacePass on multiple properties you manage, it is recommended that you give each property a meaningful name to you. You can customize property names under the Property Management tab on the My Account page. Next, we are going to pair your Ora FacePass device to the mobile app. Enter the Settings menu and press 3 for System Settings. And then press 3 again for Network Settings. Press 1 for Hotspot Connection. Go back to the Ora FacePass mobile app. Press the Add button at the top right corner of the screen to add a new device. Select the property where this Ora FacePass device will be added under. Select the device in the Discovery feed and enter your property Wi-Fi password. The device will be added to your property Wi-Fi. If the device cannot be added, double-check and make sure you enter the correct Wi-Fi password and make sure the Wi-Fi you are connecting to has 2.4 GHz band. Press the Done button in the app and wait for the device prompt. Connection succeeded. Now we are going to enroll your face. Select User Management and then select yourself from the list. Click the Add button under Facial Recognition. Position yourself 1 to 3 feet directly in front of the smart lock and face the camera and make sure you are making eye contact with the facial recognition module. When you are ready, click the Start to Add button on the app. Following the instructions from the device to enroll your face, you would need to keep your body stationary and turn your face slightly right and left. Tilt your head slightly down and up.
Please face the camera. Please turn your face slightly. Turn right. Please turn your face slightly. Turn left. Please turn your face slightly. Look down. Please turn your face slightly. Look up. 002 registered.
To enroll your fingerprint, click the Add button under Fingerprint. The device will capture your fingerprint 5 times. Press the fingerprint scanner and then lift your finger up and repeat this process. Roll your finger each time around to ensure a thorough capture.
Fingerprint. Please enter again to verify. 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 010 registered.
Label your fingerprint for easier identification and click the Done button. You could add more fingerprints, create new passcodes specific to yourself, swipe and register a keycard, or update your face enrollment if the device has a hard time recognizing you. Next, I am going to show you how to adjust some commonly used settings. Movement detection settings. Every Ora FacePass device is equipped with movement detection radar. If you have facial recognition user profile set up already, when you approach the smart lock from a distance, the radar would sense you and turn on facial recognition and actively verifying your identity, so you don't need to manually wake up the smart lock every time. When the movement detection radar is on, number 5 in the keypad lights up, and you will also see red dots flushing in the center of the facial recognition module. If you want to turn movement detection off or adjust the detection range, enter the Settings menu. Press 3 for System Settings. Press 3 for System Settings.
1. General settings. 2. Restore factory settings. 3. Network settings. 4. Auto
Press
relock.
1 for General Settings.
1. Device time settings. 2. Set custom lock ID. 3.
Press
Unlock
3
mode.
for Unlock mode.
1. Single method authentication. 2. Double methods authentication. 3. Log back time. 4.
Press 4 for Function Settings.
1. Face.
Press and
2.
select 2 for Movement Detection.
1.
You
Long
have
range.
3 options,
2. Short
1
range.
for longer
3.
range,
Disabled.
2 for shorter range, and 3 to
Movement
turn it
detection.
off.
Disabled.
Keep
1.
pressing the
Long
star
range.
key to exit
1.
the Settings
Safe.
menu.
1. Single. 1. Device type. 1. General. 1. Administrator.
Next, we are going to adjust the auto relock settings. By default, after unlocking, the smart lock will relock itself in 10 seconds, and you can either lengthen or shorten that time window or turn it off. Enter the Settings menu.
1. Administrator settings. 2. User settings.
Press 3 for System Settings.
1. General settings. 2. Restore factory settings. 3. Network settings.
Press 4 for Auto Relock.
Auto relock. 1.
To
0
lengthen the time
seconds.
window,
Please modify.
select 2. To shorten the time
1.
window,
5
select 8.
seconds.
To turn auto relock
0
off,
seconds.
keep selecting 8 until you hear Disabled.
Disabled.
Next, I am going to show you how to restore
2.
factory
Restore
settings.
factory settings. 3.
You will be prompted to enter the administrator passcode before resetting the lock.
Restore factory settings. Operation succeeded.
After resetting, you will need to add a new initial
1.
administrator.
Administrator settings. 2.
As a recap, in this video, we have walked through how to set up your new Ora FacePass device and how to adjust some commonly used settings. Should you have any questions, please reach out to our support team at 888-673-9899 or email us at support@orafacepass.com. Thank you again for your purchase, and we hope you enjoy using our product.